Hello kids, hope all of you are good. Today your mother teacher topic is national symbol and emblem of India. India is a land of diverse cultures and religions. Even though every region has different custom and tradition and we speak different language, we are all Indians and belong to one country. Let's talk about national symbols. Symbols that represent a country are known as national symbols. The Royal Bengal tiger is our national animal. It symbolizes bravery and strength. Our national bird is the peacock. It is famous for its beauty and unusual feathers. It symbolizes grace, pride, and beauty. The lotus is the India's national flower. It is an aquatic plant that grows in shallow water. Despite growing in a muddy environment, it always appears clean and beautiful. The lotus flower symbolizes purity, wealth, and knowledge. The banyan tree is the India's national tree. It is considered as sacred tree. The mango is India's national fruit. It has been cultivated in India since time immemorial. There are over 100 varieties of mangoes in India in a range of color, size and shape. We eat mango ripe or prepare pickle and chutney from raw mango. The national flag is the symbol of freedom and unity in our country. Our national flag is rectangular in shape and consists of three colors. It is known as the tricolor or the Tiranga. It has a deep saffron means kesari band at the top, white band in the middle and green band at the bottom. There is navy blue wheel or dharma chakra in the middle of the white band. The saffron color stands for the strength and courage of India. The white stands for the peace and the green stands for the growth and prosperity. The chakra has a 24 spokes representing the hour of the day. It symbolizes constant efforts and growth. Our national anthem is Jan Gan Mana, was written by the Rabindranath Tagore. The original poem has 5 stanzas, but only first stanza is sung as the national anthem. The national anthem is played or sung on national holidays, public function, and at international event. Our national song is Vande Mataram. It was composed in Sanskrit by the Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. It was inspired by the freedom struggle. Our national emblem has been adapted from the Sarnath lion. Capital has 4 lions standing back to back, mounted on an abacus. The emblem shows only 3 lions. The 4th is hidden from the view. The wheel below it has an elephant, a galloping horse, a bull, and a lion over a bell-shaped lotus. The words Satyamev Jayate from the Mundaka Upanishada are written in the Devanagari script below the abacus. Satyamev Jayate means truth alone victory. Let's talk about some facts about national symbols. Number 1. The Dharma Chakra is also known as Ashok Chakra. Number 2. The saffron band must always be at the top. Number 3. No other flag can be placed above the tricolor. Number 4. The flag must be taken down from the flagpole before sunset and folded carefully. Number 5. We must always respect and honor our national flag. Number 6. It takes about 52 seconds to sing our national anthem. The national anthem of Bangladesh is also as poem penned by the Rabindranath Tagore. Number 7. We must always stand in attention whenever the national anthem is being played or sung. Kids, who is the father of nation? Please write in a comment section. Hope you all kids are able to learn and recognize national symbols and emblems. If you like my video, please like it, share it and subscribe my channel and also press bell icon. Thank you for watching and thank you for support.